How would you respond to criticism that the president in the past few days showed the proof of life but no proof of work, and that people are dying but he's supposedly golfing and biking as seen in photos for an ally?
Alam niyo po, ang presidente walang iniisip kung hindi yung mga problema ng bayan. So may mga iba kasi nagpapakita lang pag sila ay nagtatrabaho, may mga para lang papakita purposes, no? Pero alam naman natin ang presidente natin, 24 hours, 24/7, ang kanyang pag-iisip ay nasa bayan po.
Opo. From Trisha Terrada ng CNN Philippines, for Secretary Roque, Yusek Vega, and Dr. Tea, what is the basis of the IATF and the President for easing restrictions to MECQ? What is the government's assessment of the 2-week ECQ? Did it work?
Well, unang-una po, no, ang naging basehan nga natin yung improve healthcare capacity natin dahil nadagdagan nga po yung ating mga facilities. Pangalawa po, hindi pa po natin nakikita yung epekto ng 2 weeks ECQ, although I'm very certain po makikita natin yan in the coming days.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.